Nestled across the European countryside are some of the continent's most picturesque villages, each carrying its own charm and unique beauty. Take a ride with me and enjoy watching some of the most amazing and unique village towns you would ever see. These small towns seem as though they've been painted into the landscape, with cobblestone streets winding between stone cottages draped in vines and blooming flowers. Their architecture often mirrors the local environment, blending seamlessly with surrounding hills, valleys, or coastal cliffs, creating a scene that's equally enchanting in the glow of morning light or under a soft evening mist. In one village, pastel-colored buildings line a meandering river, their reflections casting a dreamy, watercolor-like effect on the water's surface. Just steps away, a quaint town square hums with life as locals and visitors alike gather around bustling cafes. Tiny bakeries offer freshly baked pastries, their enticing aromas filling the air. The houses, some dating back centuries, feature wooden shutters, flower boxes, and intricate wrought iron balconies, adding a timeless charm to the already captivating scenery. Further inland, a village built on a cliffside offers sweeping views over lush vineyards and emerald green forests. Narrow pathways snake through the town, leading to quiet courtyards where fountains bubble softly and ivy climbs ancient stone walls. The air here is filled with the scent of lavender and rosemary, and it's easy to feel as though time has slowed down, allowing every sight, smell, and sound to sink in. The simplicity of life in these villages adds to their allure, and the surrounding natural beauty provides a peaceful backdrop that feels untouched by the rapid pace of modern life. Picture a small village nestled in the rolling hills of a verdant countryside, where cobblestone streets wind their way through clusters of centuries-old cottages and the scent of fresh blooms fills the air. The architecture often speaks to the region's history, with charming half-timbered houses, stone-built facades, and colorful shutters that bring the scene to life. Each detail, from the ivy-draped walls to the beautifully crafted wooden doors, tells a story, creating an atmosphere of timeless beauty. These villages often sit alongside rivers or lakes, where tranquil waters mirror the surrounding landscape and offer breathtaking views at every turn. In the early morning, a mist may blanket the village, giving it a magical, almost ethereal quality. During the day, sunlight filters through the trees, casting warm golden hues that make the colors of the buildings and flowers even more vibrant. Narrow lanes wind between homes and lead to small, hidden squares where locals gather at quaint cafes, drinking coffee or wine and chatting with friends. The local culture in these villages is often deeply rooted, with traditions passed down through generations. Festivals, seasonal markets, and local crafts reflect the heritage of each community, often celebrated through music, dance, and handmade goods. Artisan shops sell handmade jewelry, pottery, and textiles, all crafted with care and a deep connection to the past. Walking through these villages, visitors may encounter age-old churches with bell towers, picturesque bridges that cross gentle streams, and small farms dotting the landscape, creating an idyllic pastoral scene. People gather at local taverns, indulging in regional delicacies made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients. It's easy to imagine strolling through these quiet streets at dusk, feeling the peace and tranquility that permeate every corner of the village. The stars begin to appear in the clear night sky, adding to the sense that time has stopped and that the village exists in a world all its own. The beauty of these European villages lies not only in their visual appeal but in the ambiance and lifestyle they embody. They offer a glimpse into a simpler, more connected way of life, where history is honored, nature is cherished, and beauty is found in both the grand and the small details.